we are at a CRPF center here in Jammu, and these Jawans of the CRPF, they are busy making the PPE kits, the face masks. This is also a step towards self-reliance to make sure that the country is self-dependent. We don't have to depend on other countries. The goal right now is to make sure that we produce whatever is needed within the country. We don't have to rely on other countries to get these PPE kits and other items. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday spoke at length, wherein he said that the country need to focus on self-reliance to make the products within the country and to make sure that these products are sold within the country, and also the people associated with the manufacturing of these items are also benefited. This is not only for the benefit of those people who are associated with the making of these products, but also for the benefit of the entire nation. And you can see that the CRPF Jawans, they have also stepped in ever since the pandemic broke out within the country. These CRPF Jawans, they have been working towards the goal of self-reliance. They have been manufacturing these PPE kits, face masks, so as to be used within the forces, because the CRPF Jawans, they are the frontline warriors who are fighting the coronavirus, the COVID-19 in the field. You can see that these masks, these PPE kits, these face visors, they have been manufactured here only by the CRPF Jawans, and they will be not only distributed amongst the CRPF Jawan, but also some of them are given to other frontline warriors, including doctors, the police personnel who are manning various nakas and various quarantine centers. Right now we have the CRPF officer here. We'll ask him about what measures are being taken and by the CRPF so as to walk the path which Prime Minister suggested about self-reliance. Sir, you heard Prime Minister yesterday, he spoke at length about self-reliance. So what has been the CRPF contribution here, sir?
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has yesterday spoken on self-reliance. So we here, right from the day when this pandemic broke in India, at that time, all these equipments which were required for fighting this COVID-19, we started preparing at the same time, as they were not available at that time at the markets, and the markets were totally sealed. Nothing was open. We have some raw material with us with which we prepared all these kits. You have already seen that there are face masks, then improvised PPE kits are there, then visors are there. All these things are being given to our people who are there on ground duty. As they have to keep themselves also safe while performing their duties, we provide to them. Now, as Government of India is planning to recall the people from the leave, we here in Bantalab have made one KV school as a 150-bedded quarantine center where the people will be recalled from leave. There they will be put under quarantine for 14 days. The staff which is deployed over there, that staff is also provided with all these kits. The doctors, the nursing staffs, the Safai Karamcharis and the other ADM staffs which will be looking after the administrative requirement of those personnel, they will be provided with all, they are being and will be provided with all these equipments. In addition to that, we have one Madadgar with which we are helping the people of J&K and the people of India. Whosoever calls on Madadgar for any kind of help like ration, like water, like medicine, any kind of help, that is being addressed as soon as possible. And the people who go for addressing that problem, they are also being given these kits. And the people who are receiving that help, they are also provided with all these PPE kits.
Yesterday when Prime Minister was speaking at length, after that, do you see that the morale of the forces, especially the CRPF Jawans, because they have been working here 24/7, though they are working in shifts, so do you see that their morale has been boosted after Prime Minister spoke at length about self-reliance and how to make sure that we produce everything within the country that is required, sir?
Yes. After hearing Prime Minister of India, as you have seen that as the commander addresses, everyone heard that address and was boosted up that our Prime Minister is acknowledging our part which we are working, like we are preparing PPE kits, and he's also encouraging that we don't have to depend on the foreign-made things or will wait for that. We have to prepare all these things ourselves, and they are totally boosted up and they are ready to work more hard than they were working.
So you see, this is the contribution from the CRPF here in the Bantalab camp of the CRPF, and these Jawans, they are working 24/7 in shifts so as to ensure that the dream and the goal that has been set by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to ensure self-reliance is achieved. These Jawans, they are working, though their contribution might seem to be small, but at this time when the entire globe is facing the pandemic, this is a huge contribution, not only towards the society, but also towards rebuilding the nation right now, which is suffering huge losses because of the economic slowdown that has come because of COVID-19.